What is up everyone? Welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, we will guide you through the process of signing up for Crypto.com, a popular platform for buying, trading, and earning cryptocurrency. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced user, following the steps will help you create your Crypto.com account quickly and efficiently. First, visit the App Store for iOS users or Google Play Store for Android users. Search for Crypto.com. Download and install the app on your device. After installing, launch the Crypto.com app. Tap on the Sign Up button on the welcome screen. Choose your preferred registration method. It's up to you if you use your email address or mobile number. Fill in your email address or mobile number. Create a strong password. Use a combination of letters, numbers, and special characters. Accept the terms and conditions by checking the appropriate box. Tap on Continue. If you sign up with an email, check your inbox for verification email from Crypto.com. Click the verification link in the email. If you sign up with a mobile number, enter the verification code sent to your phone. After verifying your email or phone number, you will be prompted to complete Know Your Customer or KYC verification. Provide the required personal information, including your full name, date of birth, address, nationality. Upload a government-issued ID like a passport or your driver's license for identity verification. Follow any additional instructions to complete the verification process. After KYC verification, enable two-factor authentication or 2FA to enhance your account security. Choose your preferred method like, for example, Google Authenticator or SMS. Follow the prompts to set up 2FA, and there you have successfully signed up for Crypto.com and completed the necessary steps to secure your account. Remember to keep your login details safe and enable two-factor authentication for added security. Now you can start exploring the features of Crypto.com, such as trading, earning crypto rewards, and more. Happy trading! If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.